So, the situation is, I've got something in my pocket that is gonna be the solution for majority of travel creators, for the solo Instagrammers of the world. This, my friends, right here in this pocket is an 8K drone. It's just simply amazing. I've seen many drones in my life before, but this one, this is super cool. It is automatically tracking you. It's basically your personal cameraman, your personal drone assistant or drone operator. And it's super easy to deploy. One button press, it follows you, and it's amazing. Super stable 8K footage, up to 60 frames per second on 4K, and it's just amazing. You don't have to worry about the propellers. It has this really nice build that opens into the drone, and you can deploy it. So I've unboxed this. This is how it looks like when you get it out of the box. So as you can see, this is the Hover Air X1, and this is the Pro Max version. This is from 00 Robotics, and it's a really cool little piece of tech. First of all, it has a bunch of sensors all over. It looks amazing. There's one button press, and you can basically start it. It flies up, and you're ready to go. And you have a battery included, and in the box you have the satchel, you have cables, you have paperwork. And the good thing is that I have the remote control as well. So this can actually follow you without a remote, no problem. But if you want like a traditional drone, then you have these little things that you can attach to its brain, its beacon, that it can be programmed to follow. So just in case it cannot track you, it will always follow the beacon. But I think I'm a little bit ahead of myself. Let's go back a bit and let me tell you everything about it. The Hover Air X1 Pro Max, despite being smaller than most drones you've probably seen, it can shoot 8K, automatically follow you, and even act as your personal cameraman. I've been testing it over the last few days, and today I want to answer one simple question. Can something so small and so basic actually replace a traditional drone and even work better? The first thing that surprised me with this device is the size. When folded, it literally fits in your pocket, as I showed you. Unlike traditional drones, there's no large propeller sticking out, no bulky controller, nothing required for basic use. You just take it out, open it, press a button, and basically it goes in the air and starts filming. And the really cool thing is there's this little piece over here. This is the mesh that is surrounding basically the propellers. So, and they say you can try to break it, but it's impossible. Trust me, I tried everything to break this. I cannot. This material is the thing that is protecting these propellers. So even if this falls, even if something happens to it, you don't have to worry. It's gonna be a-okay. Hover Air isn't trying to compete with professional cinema drones. Instead, it's trying to become your personal flying camera. The focus is on the tracking. The drone automatically follows you and keeps you centered in the frame. You don't need to pilot it manually. You don't need a second person holding a camera. And this is where it becomes really interesting for content creators. As someone who often films alone, getting dynamic shots can be really difficult. Normally, you either need a tripod or another person helping you. Well, you know, the Hover Air absolutely solves this problem. It can go from your hand, you press the button, and it goes up. Watch, I'll show you. And there's a lot of modes, including indoor follow as well.
Orbit, spiral, bird eye, dolly track, ski mode, cycling mode, indoor follow, 360 spin, indoor follow.
Indoor follow. All you need to do is you need to put out your hand, press the button, and it is here following me wherever I go. And when you want it to land, all you do is you put your hand underneath it and it lands inside. How freaking cool is this? But we'll get back to the modes in a moment. First things first, there's a lot of accessories with this product. You have this little thingamajig that actually is 3 pieces, and if you put it together, you get a remote controller, like basically a controller for the drone. You can also connect your phone, so you can use your phone as like the main screen on what your drone sees, and you can use it as a professional drone as well. But this is not the main feature. The main feature is that you have this in your pocket. You're on the bicycle and then you say, okay, I wanna do a really cool drone shot of myself. So you take it out, you push the button, and then boom, you're immediately in follow mode. Now you can customize the hell out of this device. You can tell it how far it should be back, how high it should be. There are some really cool modes like 360 spin. You can create really awesome cinematic shots. And the good thing is, all of the shots that you do, the tracking is pretty precise, it's pretty fast, pretty responsive. Thanks to the 8K recording, you can actually crop into your image, so you can have a really nice 4K footage cropped in or stabilized without any problem. If you go cycling, this little device can do 26 miles per hour. So even if you're cycling super fast and you're going downhill, it should not be an issue. You're always gonna have a really cool shot. You can have sidetrack, behind, wherever you go, whatever you do, it's gonna be fine. Zoom out super far, you're on a boat, you wanna show the whole boat, it can circle the whole boat without any problem. The image quality, in my opinion, is really nice. As I said, you can record in 8K. Realistically, you're gonna post in 4K or 1080p, but the 8K gives you a lot of flexibility when you're editing. You can crop in, reframe shots, or stabilize them. In terms of battery life, well, this is the battery. 1920 milliamp hour battery. Realistically, this is gonna get you 10 minutes or 15 minutes of intense following with a big wind. So this little drone was following me for 10 minutes while I was bicycling, and this battery lasted. This is not a product that you're gonna keep in the air for half an hour doing cinematic shots. No. You can do cinematic shots, but this is about following you. You get it out, it takes a circle around you, you get the shot. Or you press orbit or follow or 360 spin or whatever you need, it gets the shot done. Hover above you while you cycle underneath it or follow you from above. It can do all these things for that 5 to 10 second shot that you need in your story, in your video, in whatever. No one's gonna watch a half an hour long drone footage. But if you need a 10-15-second drone footage that is awesome, is mind-blowing, and they're like, how did you get this? Who piloted the drone behind you? You can say, yeah, well, no one. It automatically follows me. And with that in mind, the 10-minute battery for this product is awesome, and you have the battery pack, so you can actually have 2 batteries. And the great thing about these batteries is, if you have the battery pack and you put this in, you connect a portable battery, you can charge it up. While you're using one, the other one is charging up to 70%. So you can rotate these and not worry about your battery life at all. In my opinion, who is this product for? This product is for the people, the travelers, the vloggers, the Instagrammers or the TikTokers who want really awesome cinematic shots about them in short bursts, and it's great. Now, the other good thing about this little drone is it's full of cameras. You have on the bottom with sensors, radars, and everything. And then, as I just showed you, it goes from your hand, you put your hand underneath it, 20 centimeters, and it lands on it. You're above water, no problem. Go under with the boat, it's gonna land in your hand. Also, there are sensors and cameras here in the back. It can follow you, it can do amazing shots. And I've done a lot. I've been using it for a week. And I am so excited that I have this small little product that fits in my pocket. And basically, yeah, whenever I'm traveling, I don't need to fuss around with big drones. I'm gonna take the Hover. If you wanna know more about this product, it's down in the description below. It is a really awesome product. It has my full recommendation.